curling my hair with the Conair Waves and Volume hot rollers. You know I'm a sucker for hot rollers, so I'm so excited to try these out. There are only 12 rollers in here, so we have to be very organized on how we set them up. I created a mohawk part, and then I set aside 4 other pieces on the sides of my head. On that mohawk part, I'm gonna put the smaller rollers in, just because I like to have a little more bounce up top. Most people like to put the bigger rollers all the way on top, but it's just preference. The 4 bigger ones for me are gonna be towards the bottom of my hair. Remember, these are pretty big, so don't expect curly curls. Like the box said, this is more volume and waves. Let your hair sit for at least 10 minutes or until cool. I left mine in for 10 minutes just to test it out. These rollers are also meant for long to medium hair. Because my hair doesn't really hold a curl, I had to spray a little bit of something on it, but this is the reveal. It definitely gave volume, and it definitely gave waves. My hair looks so healthy with these rollers. Loved how it turned out.